Hello everyone. In this video today, I am going to show you one more program of Python, how to run and execute. As usual, click on the start button, all apps, then select your Python to open. Here P, I've selected, then Python, then ideally Python. See, you have already known that this is a single line interpreter. To do multiple lines, click on file and then new file. And now I am typing the program. Hash. We will give hash for commenting. So this is the program to accept length and width of a rectangle and calculate its perimeter and area. Okay, so I am now typing the program. See, we will take length, L as L for length, L, and we are taking it as float because it gives the fractional result. So to use the fractional result, we will use the float data type. Okay, in the previous programs we have started with int type, it means integer, then the result and inputs will not be given as the fractions, the whole numbers we have to give. But here we are taking float because we are entering the fractional numbers for area, and the result will also be in fractions. So enter the length. First we will take it as length, and then we'll take W for width. It will also will take as float. Then input, enter the width, because for rectangle we'll take length and width. It is having only length and width. In that case we are taking length and width here. Now give the formula. Area first we will give equal to length and into, for into will use star, length into width. This is the formula to find the area of a rectangle. Next is perimeter. Okay, and for this I am giving formula as 2, okay, into, then yes, 2 into, then length plus width, 2 into length plus width. After that directly we are print the area, or otherwise we'll give like this, area of rectangle is, okay, here I am giving, then close this, put comma, then give the area here. Okay, this is the variable, then print perimeter. Perimeter is perimeter of rectangle is, then close comma, then perimeter here, perimeter. Okay, see all these things, these variables what we have taken, okay, these we have to mention in the same way which is present in the formula. If you do mistake here, then it may lead to logical error. Okay, now we are saving the program. Click on file, then click on save. Then I am giving it as, so I have already created its folder to save, so I am saving here. I'm saving in my folder, that is program 3. I'm taking, don't give space in the name of programs, that is rectangle, or area of a rectangle, otherwise area of rectangle, okay, dot py, is the extension for saved. Then click on run, then run module. See, here it is asking enter the length. I will enter it as 5.5. Why 5.5? Means it is a fraction and we have taken float data type. See, I am showing you here. See, we have taken here the data type is float. Float means we have to give the fraction part. Enter. Then for width also we have taken float. I will give it as width as 7.5. After pressing enter, we need to get the result. If we get the result, then our program is okay. Otherwise, we have to check for errors and we need to rectify. Yes, we have got 41.25, the complete area of a rectangle, and the perimeter of rectangle is 26.0. This is how we can solve the Python program. In the next video, I will come with still more programs. Till then, subscribe my channel, comment and my videos. Thank you. Once again, thank you.